Alright guys, so here comes part two. And I had a little time to think about it and kind of sleep on it last night a little bit. And, you know, I was thinking about how I could make this part be better. And this is the cap right now that holds the forearm on. And you can see it's got this spring-loaded ball bearing here. Right, no big deal. And it basically, let me see if I can show you up close. I noticed last night I didn't get a lot of good up close stuff for you guys, but I'll try to do better today. Alright, so here's the end of the forearm. And you can see it's got these, you know, it's slotted here to receive that ball. And I was going to do a thing where the part that we're going to make, right, our part, here's our part, I was thinking I should do the same thing, and then on the back of the part do the same thing with the ball bearing, and then on the front of the part I was going to make slits on my mill to receive the front of the that's going to go here. Instead of putting the ball bearing in there, what I'm going to do is on our part I'm going to go ahead and trepan cut the face of it and recess a groove in, and then I'll be able to put okay, we'll put one of these, we'll choose a ring and we'll put a black rubber ring in there, and it'll make a nice gasket on there. And then on the face of our part we're going to still go ahead and make we're going to mill the slits on the front, so when this cap goes on it'll still, you know, ratchet on there like it does here, and it'll be a nice tight fit. So that's my plan. That's what I thought of last night. But in the meantime, we have to make our initial part. So we got, I mean, that part, you know, we're pretty much, you know, we're pretty much figured out here. All right. We're pretty much figured out. You know, this is gonna be our part, and you know, we got to do that first. Then we can come in and groove this out and figure out our band and everything else like that. So in the meantime, let's go over to the lathe and we can start cutting our part. Alright, just going to make sure that we're running true here. We're within 1,000th, and that's pretty good for the old Harbor Freight 9x20. That's pretty good, and that's what we'll do. Alright, just getting ready to touch off here. And cross light set to 0. Had it set to 0. That's actually pretty good. A lot of backlash in this. Okay, so here we go, guys. 810 thousandths. Okay.